Right.
Yeah, Kevin.
Let's organize it in here. Here we go. Hey, Brian. Aim on it. Aim up. Drive at it. Drive at it. Drive at it. Drive at it. Tick him up. Tick him up. Well done. Well done. Well done. Defend. Up we go. Right.
Defended.
Up we go. Clear it out. Break the line. Next three up. Well done. Next three, clear it out. Hold on. Turnover. Out we go. Next three. Okay, great strike. Lead it out.
Joe Dushka Black Clear, Cliffecanish, Mhic Shigiúir, idir Ulscoil na Héireann Gaile, agus Costa Ulscoil Black Clear, agus Sinead Oriarnach a Húrs me, na Tenzit Ifigúil or NUIG UCD was or Waishomach. Sula an Hybrant and Joe, idir Gá Ornat a Thraisi Chéile Immert Minicador, go different Chade an 3 úr is fichadómh a chéile a Immert. Éim ruadéag ag NUIG, Rivishof, UCG, mar tugóir an go is múdíb sin, agus ní mua ag UCD. Tróna go deas John is brandhar ar an NUIG, well tá taiga málas litre mór sa gúil, agus go leor cainte faoi ibre trí, Seán Mail Chiaran as áran, ná said ahrú genta acab an genta lína lánchúil tá an Kevin McDonald a sliga chusteachan sin, agus ahrú sa lína lechúil chumá tá Colm Kelly as dúnagáil eisineiste an áid Ciarn Manáid tar Douglas Club. Lorna Parker tá Bertrand Gailevic, Hen Darcy, Peter Cook tá gimmert a sintir na Gailevic a dulga má, och gúlinn tá amsithe acab siúd atra. A brandhar na good na tosathe. Adam Gallagher's Mayo, Shea Hoodin's goal to give shoot, Feabhra sin, Gallagher as entrum sin own, Kerry Hoodin like a shoot, agus on captain, agus on lawn toss, agus on Timber Inspirage major to Akab, Damien Comers and a down, coolest 3 Hoodin's goal to Damien Gujisha, agus Honig Sean Kelly, Asma Cullen, Reese Gudo Aklir to Tashish Carter Tossi, agus Sham Morris Sheridan, Bonistor. Agus Sian bochal go leor cainte faoi Seán Mail Chiaran tá Seán Andy Callaghan tar bar mar an choúla tíine ngáile a dé roch gohfuil se seo anhach agus feicimiid a bhí sin deisach jetfi test mór a bheith ar anneo agus test an mhór cen fá a d tusa bhil se daon chúis. Mar i gimmert leis an bhórin eile a gimmert a UCD tá Then going to himlóí na tosa his fear dáán agus a trefeic sinna an nóid. Bhar oran UCD an seo as Tiberdarn de Charlie Manton an Coolbar agus tá ahrú dentach go siúd lína lechúil tá Peter Healy a gimmert a go siúd agus Stephen Cohn is mó captain na fór na tíbla siúd a Jimmy Feehan is Tiberdarn feargúil nearttaí le sinteige. Bert Heary gimmert a Lorna Park, Barry O'Sullivan agus Jack Barry Bert tá gimmert le sinter Heary foi láthir. Nis a brandhar na tosathe. Conor McCarthy sin príomh amseoir cúlín agus scóilte ag siúd ach féoch tá taketeach. Sinna bhar gestam can ó Callanna tá tucasteacha tá sesin na tosaí anseo imróir óg na bliana northa agus níos mó buin butige na mar ruach en Sigerson ferry then chug a riamh as a sisalín lán tosach Brian Byrne as Kildare Evan O'Carroll's Leash Sibla Shúl Ferrer's Leash ón Lowry agus sé John Divley Bonistor for in Oran UCD. Agus sinna bochal a bhí gestam sinna Conor Callahan go leor cainte faoi All-Star gnóí ag chumáthair nói an ora agus bon faoi fixa héin agus sinseir pelle chumáile bon amán an a glob agus ferret a Harbh graach ach pelledóíintach agus máhín ag mar lán tosach mar cheaptar bei an chaidrint idir a héin agus Seán Mail Chiaran áran Harbh spéisiúil ar fad. Agus mar bhí marrá go leor Úranta a seo a chéile immert an Nordearnach a dimmer siad, chábhfuil 3 mar hárin se, agus sin an Nordearnach a bhí NUIG ins an Cliffecanish agus bhuiil siad an lá sin imrú an Cliffe sin hís a gorca as chuine gur Michael Meehan a gimmert agus a cúlínaige an tíblína Carcha Cúigméidir tíblína clé as sin canile ar tíbn lábh deise. Réitar an léineo, mar is tradiisiúnta an réitar a rinne Cliffecanish na Héireann an ára sin Joe McCullin as Condan Chábhain agus Joe nearttaí ag Joe. Well, let's not guide one couple of fuckers there, nothing to show lower chop. Damien Comer, captain of Fornia. Stephen Cohn, captain Wayo. Well, captain UCD. Yeah, captain Wayo go forward. Guide of Tom or one store UCD, fact, but Chanel, Chevet, so was a captain of Shigiúir, John Divley. Agus muid bunat réinis le ó an na bhíon. Seo dúscart Black Clear. More na bhíon customer sin agus a muid buna réile túsa chur leis an gomórtas hosa siar sa mlíon níide agus a héine cen na gomórtas is sin na dáhfuil an start an chuman nuachlas gail agus muid buna ré mar derm agus brandú ar seohan sin bei leidir na gaiile bheith gimmert ó ba si de gimmert ó híomh na lábh clé an shop níl gui róláidir séidir seo mátá sí séidir cheapan gúil siad al trastan na parke seachas a bhábhar den bháin a den eile. Ábhaid is trí mar derm nó dernach a dimmar siad i chéiles. Mar Brandon Cho Ribré chunig me ír léchraid gan dá alscoil chunig me Ger Brennan chunig me Brian Mullins an seo Black Lee chunig me Liam Salmon Tony Regan Gim McManus for dimmer coide agus chunig clum héin Cliffe Canis atranidiach seachpa seacht. Staide fiersa an gáiles can gona Cliffy is broci chunig me riomh agus me tamil Brandon ar Cliffy pelle. Mar chuma túla nach bhfuil sesin le rá inyo. Tús a chormar sin líros catte seach ag Joe McQuillan. Agus tá Cliffe Canis fi Shigiúir na bliana ábhail is a hochtteag dúir tosínis agus an seilehan seo hí Black Lee atá gimmertins de ganza his spéir chorm. Pastáisí sin seach ag Jack Barry. Sí fátenis ag Owen Lowry. Lowry steach ríisiir se an lán tosach Evan O'Carroll. Carroll Black an maidjenta an sin agus an seile fáte rais. Céin Darcy don na gaiile bhí. Cín steachanis sa láir. Fear hannig steach an sin Colm Kelly dún an gáil. Now Chelva on Gallagher's entrum. She force ag far entruma. Tachlish Tivama, Adam Gallagher. So the entertainers off the road. Well, in the Torfree score, touching on Torfree score, he bunch of the Cluiche de Bruyne. But the hauling again, the tear day, head score, having to shoot. Gone on home, head cuts it. Two spot Chen, egg. Let's not of it. Shagan reached it. We shall money noch toward free. Shigiúir. Action Gente. On the rushers in action. I saw Shelliv. A glass the guy of Arish. Because Ken Darcy. Hard strong. More dear Christahigashin. Kick out just a hard. Because David Comer gave a Shelliv all the chin. You're early Shelliv all. I saw kick serious Jack Brunta. I saw two smacker. A glass the guy of the course in trap. Chance of finish kick sear. Agus the base Adam Gallagher as Moyo. Hook is a kick shot. Shea Julian score take Adam Kuji shot. Arnoi raw fresh. I'm a brush V egg. UCD is the kid into Washington Canis Fire or old school Vicure on and capture Corhara Trust on. Agus Bay Morris Sheridan Harvest sauce to the shot. Oh, Julian Akup and then score force egg lads Black Lee. Electric Ireland or her Noah and Comortish. Kikamach Charlie Manton, Stibrador and Machador Lorna Park, British Shias and Jennings and Shelliv, Fatarash in the Galia reached. Peter Cook, Trust and Chenanish.
Let's go! And again, Liam!
As a home passenger, Omu. Shelliv Fatarash, a glad Black Lee. On Lowry Shaka Skippy Shassalor. Conor Malalinchin. As Cola and catching the Prabba on ord. You should cool bar chat to Machanchin. Is a school of Mach Kevin MacDonald. Or the Cleon Clay, Kevin MacDonald, Gerdo Kelly Lynch, Bert as Schligach, Spert Vest Gimmerts at Morich. So try now show to us, but you can't free Imrory is kind of a Royin or her. Tasha Harvard dinner Imrory Gimmert Galore Cliffy, Spatial Fire, Vechel Gimmert to John Liam Silk, Cool Amshag Liam Silk, a draw Yerna him or her. The Horrifina is the Gimmert tonight, Achambora. Peter Cookonish, it's Mark Cullen. Butcher Stock hauling easy, watching Brian Dunham's lame knuckle, Dunham in the stock, in Canchin Garamach. Garamach Mark, Cousin Twahatchin Genta, Conor Mullally. It's Conor trapped in the park and Spatial Nachwell Conor Callahan Gimmert more long, Toss of Himmer Gabader Gamach. Need Kevin MacDonald thought of Varkulch and Tivel in the park, if one was just in the Mertz. Shelliv Black Lee and then score Akafos. But the Keranomed cuts in Chogan. Santry shot. Jack Barry. Jack Feabhra and Chenig Gerdo Kelly Lynch. So she forced Jack on Roar and Joy Jack Hoshava Cumroch. Finally came in it. But Jack and Shada Cano Callan because he came there to Con. Conmar Askin and Jenna Cassidy won. Tivel Rashka Barry, Rashanish, should they kick Lowry? Will she shen Divish? No, zero Tibamo. Irritinelli going Lowry, was he built some up, or even love a clay. Irt Wahagan Shen, Achnir, Hassi Stachadoven. Gail Malach and Chobo over IT Liggy or Flash Hotkala Corka, August or IT all clear. Modular UCD Bochak over Manud or Ulskal Khar all clear, August or Ulskal Vicurdan. Maritarum on raw Frave. I'm a brush and Chinny Aka. Peter Cook and Choffy Brew. August on Brew and Chinny Killing O'Shea. It's Kim Mahodan Croquet. Passion Corraya, Fishy Shimbut on orders and a Fotcharash. A glad not Leo, Stephen Cohn. Cohn is Moyo, captain of Ford, trust in the Porca. Barry O'Sullivan is pass all English, Ishul is Strachador, Evan O'Carroll. Shelf Coltic, Evan O'Carroll reached. Good tea shot on good smooth and love and Ochter, Egna Cossentori, Erdahiv, Erna Tossahe. Sample Ellen Chin is a Fotcharash, a UCD. Barry O'Sullivan, Trastanish, Goody, Killing O'Shea. Shea Balance Rose Fachens can row to Eggett and Trust with the own Lowry. Lowry Butcher's tracks the sports and Chen Nugasa. She fought to Egg. Jack Barry and Chen, Shell of Cunningham, Jack Tamil, Joe McCullen on guard, you can Joe Tadas Balach, on Shell of Foss, a UCD. It's a Conor McCarthy just moving on Conor Lenny, get to the door for score. That's Shin the fear alling. Hey, Conor McCarthy, Freedom Turn of Fornia, Shade score, a UCD, you can score row. Go ahead, Martian. Kick him off. Google Machador around the park. Bruce Shias. Lodger for Leroy Rodgers. Stephen Cohn. And his kicks here. Like Farway through for Leroy Rodgers. Just in the Carrick 2 weeks. So Bader go to Ruch. I thought Evan O'Carroll attacked Trastna. Ein Colin Zeug scorer to Evan. Riven Yohag's Jessica Ganish on Dozen on one to Mach. Like a Mortis Vic Higur and Bliana Rovic the Hawk Jug. Ilan. Chart for Kappa, the Vidsky College in Yasog. Mr. Hagen and near to Scorman Malach third on Canchin Cormoiga, so the Goikan Cormo, a UCD, Nidin Camp for Cormufos, again UIG, Coolin Wong, the Sporrel. The lads maroon, Dermot Martian, near him lads the Galia, we're near Nerichon's Galia, the Gimmer Club. Like a mile, Elish Gick, man, kick him around the park. Cooked in our bar, Chen, Farwell Cullen. Pass Jas Ishul Butcher's Tahage. Shell of Fortunish, Brian Donovan. Immer Club, Monileen, Limnach, Shell of Fortunashinish. Conor Mullally, Chaka Machas Kula, Mullally, Gold Trasta, Chohanish. Rohor Chohiglim, Casey's Tiberdarn, Foul Denta, or Diberdach. Spoke Mullally and Hicka Hain. There's the Lord and Chohanish. I was Fanatish Bass and Trust Stephen Cohn. Casa Mullally, Tivelle. I was Imnori, Nagali Galay, retired sheer Tiv here, Galina Shaska Guig. UCD Maravians, Mish Swell Gailach. Pass much Jai Conor McCarthy, Gear Cheleva, all Chingo Togu sunk to Conor. Someone Yakan Urgent Haratively in Martian is kick Sear on. Go. Blacklia. Tomorrow make Blacklia use Galia. Nizeska. So Conor Hain talk on the kick Hogal. No Neil and Khilfisra Pellet Mar Hawan Kin nor him your shots to cut six can come Chinisha can hear them win a so Jetach McCarthy. Agus Jack Barry, Agus Barry O'Sullivan again tomorrow. The Gimmer Lichel and no Helmore. But not Mhic. Immer watching Stephen Cohn is past all in Butcher Tiger, Vadalin Casey, Nishigear Elu, Ojerda Kelly Lynch, Paul and Casey and Leroy Skippy, Shakaji Barry O'Sullivan, Barry Gear Elu and Chin, Sean Kelly's McCullen, Sean Free, Screw the Achliach to Aherlesh, Dandy, Vigimmerts, Let Galia Blianta Shears, can come to Ficanish into Kachon Nidiok, Octus 3, it's our UCG, August Ulscullen and the Our Borafad, UCG in Loch Kenya, got a Rohernish on Lowry. Lowry Feabhra Chen go Mile Kieran. On that shore, it was in Lawn Coley. Far Orin number 200, Colin Kelly. Can't in the heart of Tave Lane. This is Kick Schlesser Vessan. Non, fasach Evan O'Carroll to chun chicail. Barda bhfuil go sciúpine ba se dorcha, tá sí cicail te trastan láirige, a ní sí cicail te rá. Sé sí fáte. Lads na gaiileh teachtar ríisinis. So the Adam Gallagher-nish, Adam Trastas the lower, the Kane Darcy. Throw Tibbler Darcy Zanzi, Hollywood enter the Channel Zimmer Twag lads, Black Clears and Shelvinish, Fatigon, Lowry Rish. Lowry, Shachta Lorgy, O'Callaghan, O'Callaghan, Ogshap. Well, you know, if I can throw Rovenick, but Tungent Con O'Callaghan. Le Leroy's Pelanola come on and loving it. Should I Damien Comer and Shikade African or Captain NUIG, it was Leoch Nagaileva, but Comer first got read on them to join Malali, the Shelva Coner, so she forced Comer, Comer in it, Comer or Have Nalova, Jesha. Canawan Kuramu, again NUIG, can Payrig UCD, and Forest Portion, Gahuli Nawan, Fos, Egg, Ferdinand Hurcha. Charlie Manton and Ish. Calling Machdro on the park on catch a bush she's Shelf can you her board chin. Egg Barry O'Sullivan. Finish Spose and shot. Right, so she fought a rush. Jack Barry Trastanish, could see Barry O'Sullivan Reach. Barry Macher Glehan. Fought a rush reached. It's a fortune, Jack Barry, down the parket. That's a boy. Boyne, Aaron the Rod, the Minor, the Kiri, the Blintenberg on the West. John Stephen Cohn. Stephen Van Arnold Kenora. Only Nord the Shinzers, we owe Harva Garl, the Rint Flint. Watcher Ashiga reached. Pass Ishla Cohn, and Yoshashan Sock Crane, and the Garmach Jardo Kelly Lynch. But NUIG is the Chaktamaka Rishanish. That's that. Sean Kelly. And Rory Sean Kelly in shot. Chaloriga Takicht shot. Agazan Chelevan Chonish. Fos Aka. Adam Gallagher gave a goal read. Just Damien Comer. Damien Barland. Kinsey Marlin is the guy with Machari's footage chip. Comer, Macher Glehan. Fosharisha get past that. Fortune Jenniger. Oh, end of Tierney. Is Comer Lenny Kittog, a Turfis Gorshan, Erot, or a Miss Jolig, Damien Comer, Achniro, she saw Crane as an ish, the Gochanative Kuramoka, Forest Bar Fos, Eglads and near and Daw score Lua, Adam Shid and Chin. Score on Ishel, a Glyphicanish Higur Gujisha. Lasko kicking Chin, Charlie Manton, Machador Lorna Park, British Sheets reached, Murtwahags and Shelf, Fortune Chin. Barry O'Sullivan, Passage Shahig Barry, I'll Conor McCarthy Macher, Mach, Evan O'Carroll, Dan Oilish and Mindalan or Cleggan, Titchin Chantam Chantasha Sluka, and Glasna Gaileva, Tan Chelafos, and Glasna Clea. I'm kick Harva or the Gin, Brian Byrne, Erith Brian, and we're having a lot of claim, Marshall Trikin, Kuramu, UCD, Gujisha, Feabhra, NUIG, Forest Bar Fos, Kahuli Nawan. Lads in the Hurgs, the score Feckog in the Chonish Lebon, no shock nomad on chop. If the Canish Vic Higgor, with Devon thought Zenomad, is also keen or damn shit, lads, and you her end score. He can mach nish draw around the parket on a fair war lamps. So she brushes she's on Chella Fortune, fights her board, and Barry O'Sullivan. Sullivan Trastan issues and Jellivic Stephen Conorish, Jack Trastan teacher in the parket, Conor McCarthy is Moinachan, is Jack O'Drow Conorish, Takon, Ni Irene Lesson Schlitter and Schlitter, and Leroy and Smachlo Beder going green on the hole. You're on pass, or Willa Bertze, Olcafadarish, as a Shella Potarash, and Las the Gaileverish, Darcy Abulareg, Skippy, Gerda Kelly Lynch, Mach, Sean Kelly, Thought Comer, Lurga fast, thought she fought Comer, Skippy, and Sean Chancellor Gallagher, thought she butch. Oh, no. Owen Gallagher, Kerrichol in Ravigno, Ivan Kuigo, Cannaga, Gofoloch, a Gordon Vicagur, Gloshukama, Akniro, and Shriach Gidera. Which a Tanale Bergnach, Lahama, and Shop. Shahagan and Yurkshan, Egg Gallagher, Visega Holos, Hikalche, Nach Oshi Crane. Charlie Manton, Rish, come on. Machador Lorna Parka. Agus í brisú síos is a caiimní céir am sin. Watch Adam Gallagher-nish. Adam Gallagher Garishach sa Lorna, pass away, good try, good end of Tierney. Tá Shanty Tierney scored Tierney. Watch us win her goal, tá she sold a goal bar. And tríú cóla in Antry leis na gaiileh, Immortháin Trinnig Tierney agus ag Charlie Manton. Agus a special sin a Colrísh bar, cínta bhí Shanty Tierney Rivishin an góla a thugsach fin cúl ach brenn cúl bar haar bóirí stúrú harder rastan. Marsin, 3-1 a bháir NUIG anseo agus moide 3 second of a lebalach rúide géad le. An canse brisú síos a rúis go lorgan na lírodí am brisú síos a Lorna Parka. Níl nertan marcanna a gnóthú a ceachtar forin. Ach sin mar nach bhfuil se a gadú gob. Is het vlak clear. Peter Healy a scoil isteach. Tarring Shear in Chen. Jack Barry. Barry O'Sullivan is Ceannais Butcher ag Barry Shachador Evan Carol Collins Shelley agus bhfuil Shelley Fotch Chen go há in Chen a hand fís skille. Jack the Rohornish on fire Ca Gandhi ever takes the car Kevin MacDonald. Holland skillen Chen vi Adam Gallagher. Sean Kelly is Chacht. End of Tierney. Oh, score Amshake end of Tierney go G-shot. MacDonald is Chacht the Rishnish. Lurgan Sposh. Adam Gallagher. Rashker Peter Cook. Cook Butchel Kushnaborg Cancha Dol Trasta. Butchi Fotze. A Comer. Toshi Fotche Comer. Comer Casa Comer a bola. Agus Comer Aura Trasta. Agus Nielen Aura Sach. Will Tossehe na Gaileve. Crohu Jackrachti. Go Hula Heb Blackly for Lahar. Forest Park. Chericoli na Concha. Or he holding the Cartam Rock. Carahan. Agus Moid and Sandara Carro. Charlie Manton, check the back door on the park. I'll go to Mach draw. Yeah, we will be sunken in Kinsa. What's Conor McCarthy, Conor McCarthy, Glenn Casey. Kicks here of us on. Got UCD. Stephen Conor Brandon's was. One check Ceannais. Door Conor Callahan. What's it Conor Brandon's was. Was that a pass Cluiche to here got Reeman. Conor McCarthy Stach. Evan O'Carroll Costa, Evan O'Carroll Abolishin, I see Chinna Titsim Stach, Lovan Hulbar, Tiger Mode, come Nivana Litzer Moore, Ashton Aher, or Malach Stach. Is that just a couple of Chachtarish is by? That's a guy of a shit fight. Kira Hachtamachas Shinanish, Colin Kelly. Kelly Dolchira, Amans is fed $1.04. There's a battle garter to the Omal Hiron. Is a jetter skip on her vertus in the Farwell Nurture Tiger Dose, Nihen Docker, Nanihen, Entre, Kukushakish Kabudi Comer, or Comer Lauder, Toshaka Lauder, the couple of Tosha Tokadalo now. Or Kirk Cushing against the Nidolum Gura. I thought John McQuillan got Traston, Better Mac Cortage, Henry Kinsley at this point in job. Tá sé glíoch trasna, Carcalóir. Seo gan ríiste. Agus well, cinál teagdála bhí an bheach sin an díana is Cillian O'Shea amach Carta Bui tá spáinte dó. So seansa seohanis ag Adam Gallagher an Barna a bhéadú anseo. Sean seansanis. And Forest Park Vedo was more few Caracholin organization, but the hard trust on get on end throw. So Caracholin is got Forest Park and shot. Shandara Canagad and Gallagher. It's Cool Colin a cup show. There's gonna Colin one Fonach. Conor McCarthy go UCD fresh in on it. Me nor fad. For UCD and Canis Fire UCG Marvier. Mark. Well, we can't not rain. Mark on. Bin Mark. Who's Mark Galling and job. As in Canchan bunch of Machin. Gallagher with the Ryan is a short chance. Is Gallagher. Gallagher tries to the Santry goal. Oh, Traston. Is your Damien Comer Agus Cole. On Traston is your Damien Comer Agus Cole. Oh, heart of a garter fod. Agus a bit Comer on. Well, honey past Traston. Remember the ones Rashners in the Mertz. Barry Chachtarish and Shuksa score a test. I'll go do it. Barry Shaka Skipway and chop. Shot the Conor McCarthy slug cocked on Joshua McCarthy. Tasha Fuzz against his men were called. Oh! Holy dog Conor McCarthy. Holy dog wild. Team 1. Jamie Comer Mosaic Traston. Executive la Conor McCarthy and Cole. August a Brabant the Soul. Ta lads Black Clear. A rash good train and an Emerton chop. Sean Chansonish. Chansonish lads. Agus Immers Intachan Chen Egborn. Ach well be me or Earlish and Europe to get there. Hurricane Coromotion Shigiúir UCD.
Barry down. Let's keep it going. Evan. Let's go.
Marshin got a cooling on at it. Kickmach egg. Tiger Maulia mach the running park out. Sashi fought egg. Peter Cook thought. McCullen Cook arrived. Go skip away and shot. Sanchella Vakarishan is Sugar's egg. Adam Gallagher. Adam Gallagher tries to go to Damien Comer. Damien Lenny hit dog. August Damien with Jastray. How to trust on. Well. Bishashan Waha. He'd score Damien and you. August that Feabhra at it reached. Oh, Droch fast and chin because the Antalo. Hibrach is ace Kalele, which Hibrach boy, and Shell reached. Shell egg Luke Fortune is Dach. Shell Fotze egg Khan. That's Jesse should have struck again. That's all in Stach again. Shell is Avi Sunken Bergon, Carcalor, Tucker, Agshaw, Conor Callanish, Cador Conor Swino, Con and Pat Suckamaga, a Sean Chansonish, who's been a Conor McCarthy, how to trust not. August the letter of Feabhra reached. Shana Farwina Khan, Damshan Scorshan, Tau Hulin and Shigiúir, could Jevon Togs on cool Amchi Khamaiga. So Hully score Amchi Conor McCarthy go UCD go G shot.
Everyone card, we're on! Jack, there's no danger there, ready to go back, Jack.
Injection.
Let's use it!
Oh, it's kick. Well, he's on Hayden Brayton Radio. Jimmy Leroy's in the lack. Conor Callagher. Joe Cluiche and Leroy the Chaha. Rod Gentog is in Chella Fortress. It's a hard ball. Lads. The guy of it. Here Chella Khonyala chop. So that Peter Cook is truck logo on. Aileen Javerta. The rock fast talking is the Fortress. Brian Byrne. Traston is good Liam Casey. Casey is Rabano throws Falcons can Rawega. For Evan O'Carroll Jim on Toshawai. For Jack Barry Feabhra. That's I got Traston is. McCarthy Traston Jack Barry Reach. Jack Costa Balach one, Costa Balach Halle. Costa by Cumrock when he came in it. Sheer of Adela Luke Fortune. Luke Fortune a goal sheer. Ishal Bulchistach. Agus kicks here with Chachvas and Jin and Felgent or Conor McCarthy. Conor a hen hook as a kick shot. Kicks here or holding shot. Well, atá ag lads Blacklia atá. I can fáilte Adam Gallagher. Lads na Gaillimh carta sin builte Connor will she builte card ticket. Tá sí builte Críneige, tá sí builte Harra Trastan. Tá chuile scór am sé Conor McCarthy. Agus on a fórne Corham an seo. Forward na himmer ar bhealach ag lads na Gaillimh. Well, Caitú. Tired for one just in. Gallagher nish Trastas a lord. Here on Ray go Shigiúir and Ceannais. Pass Trasta. One Gallagher nish is a Sathairn correlation to Stephen Brennan. Stephen Brennan a pass him which is try again is Shara Feld and the general Jacob John McQuillan. That's Balach as he jota on dog. Marshin Jesh egg lads Blacklia Sathairn agus Shusha Mishnu go Captain Mar. Forward na himmer ar bhealach ag lads na Gaillimh ach tá na fórne Corham. Sin an táhat ar nóid tá le cúil.
In the hands, in the hands. In the hands.
Sin bach ríis Jack Barry, Trasta. Spás an Ceannais. Is a rashgrid Conor Mullally as Cuala. Shall have Anrory Connor, Tasha Sluckanish, and past Trasta, Shigiúir Tanish, Agus Shin Bulte, Egon Lowry, Agus Tashi Tiritish, Egon Gola, Egon Lowry, Kate Gore, Agus a great top, Blackley, Mhic on Kane. Marvians, top. Cool, Agus, three cooling scorers, and Canny Conor McCarthy, and Nimmers, Cano Hixiru, and Shin Canshin, Egon Lowry, Agus Tashi Mhic on Tossanshaw. Nish. Wow. Kintse Cookachin, Jacob John McQuillan, a honey Michelle Ruther, Peter Cookachin, Jack Barry, he is. A Chan Yurshid and Chelevas. The click is a Carcaror, Evan O'Carolish, was past Jassy, Shah Evan. The Lowry Rishanish. Lowry Shahrash, the Evan O'Carolish, Immer Yasinish, Lasbakli, Cassin, Evan O'Carol Hart, Lenny Yastog, with the hauling Evan O'Carolish, now Hacklock Mara Cassin Cliffe, I saw Shaw Cassa, Gomor, with Tamlin Berganos. Forrest Barnish go Feabhra ag lads Blacklia. Ráir is fiche tá chun Shigiúir buite ag lads na Gaillimh agus tríúcha ag lads Blacklia nish. Déimhin Cumar tá go macht Déimhin Cumar dí halbháin bhaid dentan trinnig Cillian O'Shea. Tá Chile fós ag lads na Gaillimh tá Gallagher Cumar faoine céimena ach Jenna sin Adam Gallagher an immer tige. Past I see you butcher Jaigish, Tachapadala, own Gallagher Raigish Kapi, with the Comer, Tettenji on the lack of Tamsha, the Comer Gira Elo, Gira Casa Hart, Illini's Park Rodo Hen, Vinchai cannot bend the lames in there, kick on it, Nita Korshakar Grenus, odd score for Chin, Egg, Devin Comer, Bernaloi the
Johnny, Tomer Fod.
Machine not the shot the head of Kuig. Coolin Warner Sparrows, Camera, Cliffy Canish, Harvest Special and Shot. A douchecart Blacklia. Kick Machador on the parking for Mark. Alling Fortune. Barry O'Sullivan on. So she's Chatterishanish, so the Evan O'Carroll. Carlos Leash, and Rory Gira Edo, Yana Malkiran, Janet Cheshan. Oh, Foggenchi, a Broig, a Foggenchi of Broig. Margaret Hugo Sunk, though. Zero Jose or T on Lira the Kickal Marshin. Is Kixiúir Shachavas on. Thought lads Blacklia, agus moids a tritum a throw La Hama and shot. Shachnum with the speaker go like Catcha Agan. Agus Conor Callahan to honey kick show Willem. Can racing to Ace more will make her Malacht or Hula. A great saw, Horman Malachter. While K Chapachashin for Gor Conor Callahan Kixiúir Marshin. Or move, can be Harvey Ace, Bagany Berg, or Heaven the Love, Clegg on Hole, Agus Niroshi, ach, score made or Mach. Tiger Moyle, Tiger Chat, Tips on the Park, Canchin, Machador Gallagher, so she fought Evan O'Carroll and Mark Noviege, Evan Ogs and Pascal Horrego, Shigiúir and Ceannais. Agus the track Garishach and Ceannais, Liam Casey, Shelley Fosig Liam, ach, Stach, a lack of Hulbarichin, Don. Taig in the Hassanchin, Agus a Terach, Taig, or I got to Durloid. Well, Agus kicks here Machathon, vi Perter in a Tangwall, let's renew their Talak, better than Derna, fear lachlíad os okay so tan shala what rush taig cormach rin jet off the mark but to my good Colin Kelly chachtan is but Peter Cook Brown throws in ish vi gimmer turnoya or an goal and crew of what Cookchin or Evan O'Carroll there's a gear chachtan finish in the Tierney August while on Brochin lads lachlíad Shelley Akarishan is Conor McCarthy. Conor McCarthy, Gail Ogan Awana, Gail Ogan Ella, which I can third score need. Shirley Stephen Cohn is a Shigiúir. Stephen Cohn, no, Bulletin Cole. Gentle should have been in it. Shelley Potter Rasha Gail Rish, Thomas, Sonoma, Durnach and Chalk and Kayla, Clifford Canish, Harvest Special, Vikigur Camero. Tell yes, Emerson Doran, yes, Toshi the Cluiche, host, Lord Immerhead. Dara Fek agan chama agus kicks here shach and Chinish UCG. Hena Coidlan all just shacht and Berners Lewis in the forne. Fi lesna gail va kan keener va wide fresh 8 nummer dig. It can gin Coige heen nach Chin Coulchin. The score Conor McCarthy 0 race for Damien Comer on thrasting on the wood.
Casey, go, the runner.
Peter Cook Chatharish.
Casey, come on.
Thrasting with Gerda Kelly Lynch, for Tarashin Cookerish. Stach, the end of Tierney, Rashkin, the Feabhra Cullen. I was got all drop fast, the chin, not drop fast, Margaret. No foul or shoot. I was there, T on pass horse. Martian kicks here, Vesaka. I was in kicks here shot. Aves, zero Feabhra Strigon Lina, Carrickle Coig. It's coming out on fork and shot. And Santry, her bar or fad. Or fork, slow. Jason shot. Complicated, Bally and shot. It's got to be simple in the park and Shohagan on foul and chin. January and Raw, Vian pass Tuckage, a Honic Jack Barry Lancharai, which has sunk though, August Raw Warshin, Time kicks here, Nish. Strong chance in Nish, Egg end of Tierney. Haina Shea, score take fire, Uchtara Rivenyo, Raw Hulin in yo, August Nish, Jesh Egge. Special Gave Tierney taught. Nish a Hogal. She kicks us off hard, August Hoshi, putting a hauling, her Laura Trasnon, August Lishin, Fadla Hama, Shitson Shaw, Egg Joe McCullen, August Trichonomet, Harvard Tanya Fekagan and Shaw, Score La Hammond Shaw, Clifford Shigiúir, NUIG, Nodge Hocht, UCD, Henna Coig, Bemo Durash, Nora Hossins, and Darila.
Sarah, could you help me? I can't twist it backwards. Turn it. Try it.
That's not a done.
Sarah, you watch that one? You happy? Sarah, you happy?
Fáilte ras mar sin go Darla go Cluiche Ceannais Shigiúir Cluiche Harvah taine bhachas sinna Jack McCaffrey far go bhrála se bheith gimmert ar Ceannais tíochta go héin tris an balnas cruiseach ghortó nótha Cluiche Ceannais na hÉireann. Ach tá Jack Leister ar chéileas nar fadhain é ag ríis ar na park in Immerthe. While mar derm Cluiche Harvah taine bhachas a géad le hí UCD chun cín náid a cúig le náid a héann sin cóla Conor McCarthy thug se sin UCD ras go tréint an nóíocht agus an sin chu siit an gá cholín chun cíine chun dáscóir dearnach amsithe an sin ag Lesnar Gaiileh Ceannais ag Jamie Comer Canagan de Tierney kick series mar sin fágad te choméid Joe McCullen de teachta ras an teéis sin is a Cliffebra sportúil chamá tá bulí an nach bulí leiste go rialach agus sin mar becheart an fellréilech immert agus an Níorid catteach an teige níis an scéile stearnaí faoi lead chur a finne well tá Ciarán Malloy take agus tá Liam Silk ar meach. Níor si lí chéile spéisiúil lí chéile gur gibir se glob céine níor tháinig si lí chéile an seo mar gohfuil farháin well ag gimmert ar nói má bhíon le NUIG an leidir le gimmert le UCG mar ré mar sin na túsa chur Ceannais leis an dar le caite se Joe McCullen agus mar sin trichanóid idir chun na Héireann Gaile agus an tríú chun Shigiúir is fiche no, idir leid bhla clia agus tríú can is tríocha. Mar atá an Ceannais. Ag bhla clia teacht deimhin idir tuach sa cahar tá feabhúteach go tríú tríocha. Kick sin Ceannais agus í fáte sin gibh á Carol. Na Carol go éú agus a caihanse. Seán mé hir an bhaid sin agus denta go maithaige. Tá seile fósaige an pass roard beidir chuí just post tá sean an seo agus a sin kickte ord agus bhí kickte th a trasán tá si kickte ar trasán a bheith Liam Casey a damseir deire Liam Casey a damsin cansin mar sin tús chutha seo ag Liam Casey leis a scóir sin Ed bhlachlí a mar sin in chun cín ríist Achtar Lorna Park a British Shias. Shalva goal and eight on Chentoke Jack Parry. Agus an Edog Sheets in shot finish. Well, Niachamish in with the Spalach and Chen. Nashtig on the real Golan. Fire Lauder. And I Irbider Nahra Lauder. Shahaganet. Umlan Carton Chin. Agus well, Sathairn Gail of a Gorta hit. Umlan Kinta Colum Kelly tan. Stoning all. Tasha Irish now. Harvey Mero, Ciarán Malloy and shot. Imrin Ciarán Malloy or Glehan. It was catch a shot and Chenham and Chenham. What's Akarish? There's a fight egg. Barry O'Sullivan turning his shear. Martian kicks here in ish egg. UCD, it was just go better than Darakudi and Amtron Show. My banner she's forward shot. John Divley. Banistor. UCD, it was fire v Gimmerts, Marlachuli Lorn or Wood Gaile, Craig the Heron, score Blina. Chancenish, Conor McCarthy, Hained 3, Gudisha. Shishin Ord, after she Casa or Clay, August will she Emir Clay. It's come kicks here, Mach, my son. Forest Bar, Holy Noir, Fos, Egg Lads, Luckily, kick back ball to back in schools. He fought Sean Kelly, who's Tasha Shahanan, the low talent code and Thompson, Lyric Coniro, they get Marshall kicks here, Bruma, Jenny Lads, Luckily. No, I'm just through the niche. Kicks here, so Evan O'Carroll going to catch a kick on Talha. Shannon Reach Grand Cart on over Conor Callahan control of all rush. Sean Chanson should go Carroll. Tashi Kinch is off father, Tashi Crane. No, Nietzsche Crane, Tashi Bulls are hitting a lot of gesture. Marshanta Hulkin Kuramu, egg UCD and Chop. I'll start 3 Kin Kuramu, egg NUIG. I'll get one of the Chapter Shock, Chona should have Brian or Shanahan, the Chapter Shock, Kyria Hella, or Malashkel. He has shot. Chapter Shock, or Lasner Guy, ever fixing Coig, goes ever fixing Coig, shall run on our tool. Like a mile trying to kick, Woods Ishel, August, William Shell fought it. No, she may hard table in the kick, Schlasser, that's on. So I thought Colum Kelly, I want to mach, Chohanish. Egg, Galia, I was a chapter chocolate, oh, it's fix, ever fix a quick, run on a tool. Sneeve Lomon. Should see it, Ahruth of Becca Agan. Tiger Malia. So chucked 4 in Chonish, you'll go back to Tiger Malia, Machdi, Sean and Mile Kieran. Kieran Macklin and Gordon. Kevin McDonald, Schliger, more Roger Farrers, Gimmer 3 more. Imror Courage, Hager Reach, Kasha Comer when he came in, she Bultariga, with the Adam Gallagher, Nish and Shelley Fosega, Kasha and Cormac when he came in it, Damien Comer, Nishmach Reached, Chapter Nish, Sean Kelly. This is nice custom of the pass rugby enough. That's and the Tierney, no, needs passage to finish that. Better jump with these Farras, so she sits in Shed Mele Hole, and Cousins or Glick, and with the near of Emmy, Erhiv, the love of Jesha, Hurricane Nishkoramoka. And this again, the Tierney Holos dog in European of Roig, Wadenta. Like I said, Neil nourishing with Jeffernish or Charlie Manton. Should we come back shot?
Evan!
Hey,
Stop! Please!
Machanich, obviously, and catch a British shears, Fanatish and Richard.
Go Malali!
Nor Malali and Chapter, Shear and Chin with Stephen Cohn. Eyebrow shade and Leroy Thrust and Chonish, but she'd fight her. She didn't get this well, got to a fight your fan, could take a dog and Jesh, August and Chin, Iruthiana. I thought Berna on British Region Merna. Kikisha Butcher Shag, Hauling is the Foster Chonish. Can't touch off with Vrew. Horishan issue is that on one touch that on love, hosting Joe McQuillan. Guston, near Honeycam, one touch to Martinis, kicks here, touch Jack. General Ton, Curran and Rachel Susan Love. The Keelings go will on one touch to Agud, this Mardagan in or Dash to go Hook, Ekent, Puctor and kicks here as Chenevesan. Agus Evan O'Carroll on the capture kick all reached. What the score on it? Well, come practice in gate lad. Tasha live the hand shot. If the can't speak Shigiúir. That he Ceannais get a shot. Shamahari Cluiche. Santry goal Gadas. Sachni Dolan goal Crunya San. No Neil. Tashi Butcher hitting love clay. So Tash shaking Corabonish. Lad Blackly. Hurricane Coramo. Like NUIG on Forest portion with Julian Fos. Like for in the near shot. Hena Shale and other Hocht. Berners Low. Nish. Beckham would kick him off. Father Ohigamale. Beckham would Devon and Machador Lorna Parkin. For Ward. She British Shears. Sanchella Fortune Kane Darcy. Darcy Ryanish. Goody and the Tierney. Tierney Casa Harta Jinagira Elo. Kasha Cormac when he came in it. Or Joe Diener when he came in it. So they're running O'Toole. Ronan Dole Shasta Gown, and some Chagol Shasta Song is needing Kona Tirta, Kona Tucker, Derek, Stephen Brennan. Stephen Brennan, Traston, is good, Sean Kelly. Sean Kelly, Traston, good, Damien Comer. Damien she's in trouble money and Chachaminic she's Kurchan and goalie she starts 14 for her Carty for oh we block into but to the top goal scoring to Sean Kelly but to Charlie Manton around green in the hole Leroy Harva Leroy Docherba wants there a holy she's Jack August on button into August K hot Kennoch is the best session well Sean Kelly is an odds card Chagan Ristan Nero to Damien Visha Titsum Nero in Docher oh would you Luna with Sean Kelly and Chen August cool a Khuyolo again Nish Forest Bogan Feabhra and Nish August Feabhra get on Tucker Shachan Shaw and Paris on Trish Cliff and Lech Yanish the hair in the Emirates Lennox Lub Currafina Kieran Malloy at Tucker Shach August the fog on the parket Tom Rory Green the fog on the parket well Shin Leach Cliffogale and then Law one Cliffogale and then Law one Rory Green is at the mock more Shinnach and cool Shin well Kecho Tauta is listen cool or Tom Forest Varnish go Colin Egg NUIG Kikamach the Lorna Park Gary Gahord in Canterbury is Shellif Watch Akarish Jack Barry Horistach and Shuther Jack Malishka Barry Sullivan Hondo Jack Galpanish oh Droch fast Chinnick Jack on Shellif Coltige August on I thought she fought a rash again Mertwahige sorry Mertwah again to Tierney Shellif all rash and right or in a battle and Joe Spencer Lagujo Smero lads Niva head through in a troker Nish get us on no Kashi Hashtag in the medical kicks here Nav year of a for the one for another she got to mach Chinnick so Shellif rash egg Black Clearish Passation Butch Jockey Khan Casa hot pass away Khan Gurty show the chances of Brian Bourne now he's fouled into Brian Bourne yeah you ain't here's for you he's phone under the Ella rail at the Shach and Chonish go out the guy of it Shana ever fix the shaft on Finnerty damn on Finnerty cans in a goal nor a fortune than can as far or DIT so he's a Kadin Rivishin Shahi kicks here Nish Conor McCarthy has gone in, Stroh or a Traston, and Barna Rash, good Colin on. In a hocht in a shot, Marshall.
Evan, get this side, Ev.
Nurturing the effort or high ball,
It's on you!
Nish. Slowny chat. Slowny Leroy the Mach Lorna Park. British Jason Jen. Cluiche Damien Comer. Agus Jessica Chachtarish and Nish. She fought to try Adam Gallagher. Calling Adam Ergay there to fight Charishi. Gentle Mahan will be very simple. Look. Sorry, Merchant. And that's not clear control of our rush. And would you give no Carol? Nish. Will Rowie give no Carol? Jenner Yester Clay. Trencher Clay. Calmore for the Chacador. A Conor Cannon. A Gary Marvach Ain. Conor McCarthy down. McCarthy. Sean Chanty McCarthy. Lenny Kitto. McCarthy got hauling. Heritage down. Score hauling and Trin. Watch it. Conor McCarthy. That's how the 4-0 corner reached. In a hook the tee of a chop.
Look at the kicker.
Sore Clifford Canish. Sore Howden Steve Hurcha. Into stall either. Tamach Ambresha test on the chop. Can he discover on the Kale? Queen Grow Row Nish. Ton of the trio on the Takashach. For in the guide of it. Should I ever fix the shaft? Should I own Finnerty? Own Finnerty Takashach is a fog on the park Nish. Own Gallagher. Own Finnerty, as crack on my locha. Pushkert, the guy of it. War Machin. He'll mention the major girl. Sunkin took a year into Chomo couldn't lump. Should have initially gone Lowry. Lowry replaced Kishach and Ishuk. God from the talon. So she forced to on Roger Joey Lowry Tortfin score. So she butch Ordig Lowry. So she butch Harry Fast running on Lowry. And scoring Lowry. UCD Rashcon Keen Reach.
Next ball, Evan, next ball.
Hen and Ela, Hen a Hocht. Ted at Sullivan Fearnoch. Ted. We're on the park at Cook Gary while Kings to Togo Sunk and Chenda. Peter Cook. Hen a Hook is a kick. Well, Bishop Bahar can't skip with Walla. The own Finnerty, Fanashanish, Fanashan Ahmed. Sunshine thrust in the park. Mr. D. Kieran Malloy. Agus le Sean Kelly. Gúil talla clúda go leitio. Sean Kelly níos pass deis ísio isteach. Úte straige. He Brian Donovan. Shella Porty Donovan. Hudson's our board is in Genta. Agus on Pussy Genta Jenny Peter Haley. Our interim agus Darren Irucht Imi or 4-8. So nish tá shaking Cormaú ag NUIG shaking Cormaú UCD. Colin Water and a trip. Tá si beg nach dos scar hunt seo. Charlie Manton is fucking real soul Charlie. Agus I get to go on Dimor fin muffled to the Harlem. Can't you put your mach drawn Lord. The chief watching Peter go. Well, he told him to go back and enjoy. There's a green in the hole of Marby. Come here with the chin. Comer nish because they gave it a low chop. Agus a Comer thought to score. No, he has to shach a dohun. They mentioned that 2 can't talk Cormaú Devin. But Shachtu can't talk Cormaú again UIG. Captain of 4 now is under the Elle Dola Shachanishka and UIG Joshua that every fisi car Ryan Ford is Anna Cohen. Agus the Chachtamach ta Brian Donovan. Money Lee in the Limnach. So Ferris Anna Cohen. So fucking just made Bert Mavi just Selena Lon Tosok made Bertus Anna Cohen team the team. Margaras Anna Cohen the Damien Comer Kama. Shinta Geston Shaw and Throsha got Comortus points outside us the Ferronets. He never hide the hand for Mantur outside
Number 24, Ryan Ford.
So right forward to Jack Marshall, kick him Charlie Manton. Hard of a glickage on a macher team. Agus Fortune and Trent, with Jesse Liam Casey. Bertanois to Darn, because Anna Wagaber immer to Haley to make it. It's Catherine Hickson Hogel reached. So, someone's got just to 3 to Carro and Chop. Agus got a cooling more into the four. Agus on Highlands. Harvest Space Shooting Truck camera. That's Blackley, Chapter East. Trelevinish, Killian O'Shea. Shea Bulleray. Barry Todd, Evan O'Carroll, Mohanna, she's watching Egg Conor Callan. Can't skip one all in and oh, can't. Can you send your Auntie Hannibal Godot, and the Quatterash, our board shot, Ton Immers, our board shot, Owen Lowry in his shot, Owen Gira Elo, and the Tierney. So she was going, Squilling G shot, was he McCarthy, Concha Kittogley, McCarthy, Ord, will she send her a trust on? What was she send her a trust on? She mirrored to Niels in the wire, Toshi, but, well, oh, it's bug of the on, this bug of the on. Is fear bug of the engine. Jim Jamach, nach retour like the player, Tardy Jahunta. I kick him off, Tiger Mall, the Mahador Lorna Park, Bert of Hannes and Asa Black Leogs and Mark and Owen. It's a Breno Shanahan on Mark and Owen. I was told for Leroy the Stachanish, Jack Barry Raven, he kick out. Breno Shanahan. So she's going to ogle her Talhogs, that Evan O'Carroll when he can't try kick out. Joshua Ganish, oh, Hulin Ogal Atra, oh, Damsha. Kiko Carol, Brian Chigo, that's noted Jimele Hole, is that. Shen, haben wir gemacht. Oh, no, mit der Marschen und Top Fantasy just nach hinten. Camera and harvest sauce of the Mahambrush and John Margulcha. Tanya Vok, August Harvard, Tanya, kick a shot and show their own finnerty. Cool, cleaner. Try to go to pass the right. Shot the joint, goal! Adam Gallagher! And Lara Cody, lads, not clear. On Cluiche. August, back to Vincent Rugby, own finnerty on Pascady, Adam Gallagher. August on Cole. Shomarvi. Crichtig a holding again. You're a Shantic Charlie Manton. Marshin. Anish. Holding Arsburg. Lads the guy of it. Tashi the Chachtery. Shoragi Definity. Definity. Panaclish Bass. Honey Killian O'Shea. Trasta. Ren along holding him up. I was Killian O'Shea. Took the Talon to Kieran Malloy. Marshin kicks here of us on. Like I said, my brother Trasta went Clark score. Brishton jogging. A fiddle in row. Though Hocht Lane and the oh, holy in the top, is in the forward. Oh, Hocht Lane and the Clark score. Brishton. Cuairsaí electric beidir ar ruúte de bille. Electric Ireland in the Oriochter, but Capach Cuairsaí electric in the gar. Neil. Nish. Come in, kids go let's guidelines. Hard of a tiny box shot. Barry Sullivan Chachtanish, Oscar Roy with the own Lowry. Only Gira, Dalton Otta, Lane Sports, Irene Lesh, Tashish, Fosa Colonel Shelva, and Rory go Lowry. Garter Sassalor, Colonel Ennis Park Road, and Roger Contorfis go well. Hassan Chimple, Bidger Goshan, the Carty Gahain, Torfin score. A shot near Conor Callahan, Conley Kitto, Conor at Raston, Ash go play, Canon Rish, on Rory Chin, Egg, Owen Lowry, and past Strategy, Conor Callahan, and score all in, Lenny Kitto, Con, Do Hocht, Hated Zek. Colin Owen atra, August Thaw, Zurich, Zenomed, Fantanjogan. While I'm not Lantaton John, complicated a ballin show with Hulker Blackley, Easton at a bunch, Tanya show, Jamie Comer in a rage and Nur Hoshashis. There's a pass with the Ray again. There's a Shachter Lawn Lows to Chonish. Shelley Fotcher Asherishaka and pass Corrit Trasta. Oh, Torshavader, Torshugs and Shelley Fotcher Ash, who's the gentleman training, Liam Casey. Liam Casey, some Fotcher Liam, kicks here of us on. So, Liam Fotcher Gentle, Ryan Ford. Ni hocken er in dem rode, Tasha Tiana Chotan, Rian, Shen, Instant Sulachma. Ish Chachtarish, that's what clears and pass Trasta Guzi, Conor Malali, brothers who was Tasha Galp on the Talon and Shaw. Yelan Moranga Rowish, Dega Margo will tour customers from right here, a glass of Guy of Villar, at pass Walter Irish, Fotcha Egg. Ford, oh, trying to touch him. Well, he's better go to Capago, kicks here on Yelan, kicks here, Machton. That's the guy of a gentleman, Trent. Chacht Lawn Lewis Nish Gallagher pass all in you should have dropped with the trend August kind of on Hustins into control the Hallival Evan O'Carroll Jenna Harbour Shelley Fortiga will land a guy of a Gorty Neil Neil Magara Evan Postigal Reed will Evan took on Talon Evan took on Talon Clarence score a rash the Gubber Reach Neil Clog on scores and it's stout these stuck and Joe to Garnet Joe with Joe McQuillan Jenna Sir Job and Shop Skylish and the most of this fader Shin Candle Kushnik will on Cliffe Hotanya Vachen Shop Och no mate zero finite Osakeen Fanta and Jogging cool in the one got Irish Bar like NUIG Do Hoxton Cardew now can the Harleys and Trent Conor McCarthy raking a kick of bullet she puts Conor, so she shouldn't put on Davy her at Raston. Oh, she'd Corrimer Eastella. Well, Osha shot. Harvard hand off Achmer, Hjarty kitchen of a top reached. Or Richard gave the Eritz Hepper and Leroy all. He kicked him off as he clished it. He tiger mauled it. Clished it with Sean O'Calla. Sean O'Calla Ryanish as a Chachtanish. For the run on O'Toole. The photo tool, Curtin Cumberland came in at Ryanish. It's Ilin Gayer, the Chenogans. Lagir to Shachalov, Charlie Manton. It's just an issue, lads, Blackley and Chachtarish. Every Hunsey. Pass for Ryanish. Stephen Cohen pass all in his Jack. Perkin come on through. Killian O'Shea Tucker. Killian is skip on her, Yon on Kieran. Tom Kieran on Kieran Chattarash. So she forced to Killian Khan, Kieran McCormack. And Yarrison fell, Lee Arnott. He told McQuillan Agar. Yaktatados Balak. Look at Chinnigansham Road. After there is 6 here, man. The last of Gailiva. My brand new season show remade her look length. The Gailiva August. That look length Black League. He spray after Chinnigansham kicks here. Tilts off. He told McQuillan on her. I saw Joe Rachel. Who's Marvin Tomerford. Skylish Nimmer Scofadas is Fader. Kieran Malloyanish. Bashan Rachel to Cliffe Canish the Globe. Cliffe Vest Bauer, TG Carr, Lola Porrick. Cara Hafton on she looked more with the Moore. Nish, you wrote to go fast at Chahox, Tashi Fotchik Rhino Tool, Tas Spotting Rhino Tool, or he won, you fought the Gora, Tashi Butterega Skipper, Butterega Skitty, one of the others to the right forward, and a kit dog, no! Bowling G and Golag, Stagan G and Mach. Harva Gar, Ockin Kuramoonish. Auguston, Clog, a rash, and he carried well. On Clog, Clark scored at Shaw. 3 second, he's Mullen on Canada, Agin and Shaw on the skyline. So, Bader should have the cross part of the hose. Charlie Manton as you kick him off on the park. The Fermory Lanes. Bristol Shigiúir Troy Hagan and Bristol Tom Bristol Fochick Stephen Cohen. Stephen Cohen will foul enter Stephen Cohen. Paul foul enter Stephen Cohen or Dara Ear. Stephen Abrano Suas. Keg my Cormac Hagan. Meshig Barshaw. No Meshig Jamin Comer. Bishi Lenny Kale. Jadona Shakatsa. Stade Fearson. Cliff van our Sporrel. Cachter for in the Kale. Shella Fochinish. Brian Byrne. Brian Byrne got cheer with the Evan O'Carroll. Evan Abrano Suas. Evan O'Ryanish with the Jack Barry. Jack. Kind of Kittog. Rashinish. She's going on side of it. By hits Corella, Zenama Harva, Kinu Nochacho. Stephen Cohen, Chapter Rishinish, Talk your thing about Tashawai, Conor Mullally got reads, Stephen got faster park, and Ishkor Japatharai, which is Conor Mullally, Tasha Watcha Conor Mullally of Cola, Mullally, Tortwin score, Canard, Deticus, Totter Javacha, Tashi Watcha, Chatter goal, Coward, goal bar, August, E. Coward beyond, Atanado Shadesonish, Joe McQuillan, Kerto Joe Goliana. Is that Shilling with an ear to 4-reeler there? Near to 4-reel, near to 4-reel. Nish. That's a harvest special Shinnai can reach. Positively on. Though Hawk Tana Henyuk. Cogs the cool no man catcher Glock Shanaganya. Agatha Glog Eleton, Docklock Cart. Tá choir in the cart to reach the Hutcher Blacklia. I kick my book and Shellabug is the Fotchin before turning sheer by kick 0 on the guy of it. So 2 the hook is the camp shot. Oh, that's a sure shot. Well, part of a Tanyavach mark with the pellet. What's a rash Peter O'Toole, or Peter O'Toole, Peter Coping after Mark. There's thoroughly Peter O'Toole then, King Darcy, right, is he fought you going Finnerty? On Finnerty Bannon Swords, Fuckers can row it, I get to Sean Kelly, Will in your shot. I'll touch you fought it like Sean Kelly, Mock Dandy, Sean Tarring Shear, and long hosing Joe or Duggan Enroad, by kicks your shot, the time kicks your shot. Again, you want to do your job, chance of Condol for Keenerish, August Branner Gloggs, Tom Rollet, and Tala Luda, Sean Kelly, or who's in John, the right or fun. Iotach made Talo the Luda chat. Spin on, I was Rish, John McCullen Road cart, off Suez, Buntoshta, Maridagan Buntoshta, Chucking kicks here. Now, Adam Gallagher. Is there not one in Imrod Kittoga Akam when he kick a wall, Marnili kick shot Anaiska, she moher team coat rolls in the Imrod Jassoga, at our Jesh. Egg Adam, he shot her hard fast nods. Taylor entry again with shot. Transfer free Colinish, so she pulls Ordiga, August, so she pulls a hard fast on again. You first shot no macher. August, so she the make on Keen reached. Thought Tamige Mochtanish. Cool in the one, got Irish bar. Thought NUIG and shot. Though in the Henna. Kick a mach door Lorna Park and reach to Shigiúir Tancho. Kieran Malloy, Farragher Fenya. I thought she fought Kieran. I thought Kieran thought we score. Well, she here at Arva or the Kieran Malloy. Cow! One inch in Coila. And Darrow going to Coila Bunch. Again, you IG, Tomlin Nagamus. While Vaksha Miru took the match in the Aaron Traston. Achton League in Coramoanish. I thought one of the Ella in his Jock and Chonish. Got NUIG Shane, ever Nidug, Nathan Mullen. At Schligach, and 2 Immer Schligach Golistach. I saw Immer Golistach. Cluiche the Huts Golachma. Shane ever Fisher, Tom Hayes as a go one. I was a Chach the Mahan Jonas, Keen Jersey to Takamach. Bugaile. Nish. Dhoni, Shin Kuidug, Henheniug, Shin Cardug. A brother were a glog. Masas Galyahu, and Clogodol Harvamo, Masas Black Lews, Tashadol Harvatapi, Shinnis Keel, no relativity, Marlo Einstein Polo, I kick a Machanish, egg, Mansion, Machador Lorna Park, and Tanafera, British Sheet and a Gorn, egg, Kirmalaya, Chelafotarashi Black Learish, Tashi the Chattarish, Stephen Cohen, attacked Trust in the Park and Job, Trust or Jack Barry, Jack Brano Suez, Jack O'Cogs, Cashan Buckle, Fotarashi Jack Arish, Jack Farmore Lauder, Tashagon Roda, Leron's calls to go to Gadir, Tashi Fotarashi Jack Brano Suez, which I can thought we score Neil, Sean pass Trust and it. Hibber Kacholish in Green and London, and Zachary the Lave, Tanchella Fosaka. Oh, we fouled it to General. Does she kick out to Or the 10? Casey, August, she could have pressed on Glen Casey. August, Toshi Cora Marish. Or they were the chain of Glen Casey. August, Brother Glog. Oh, Nomad. Well, Nomad, Galed, that's a rock. The Fantan shot. By Cooper, Madame Coach of Dorothy, Mhic. Kick back, Butchin. Oh, or a foul. The foul with Chinner, Gerda Kelly Lynch. Mhic Rog, and Yarnisha foul. Launisha, August Rinsha, Tango, listen, you were there at all. This came at Amaku to Dorothy, was on Chini Hecht. Panamush and Mertz, Conor McCarthy. 3 Nomads, Cluiche and Chop, he's full, Matas McCarthy. 3 Nomads, on Chile, 4 Sapanish, 7 Thrust and Chonish. Thrust in the park, Thrust to Giddy, Brian Byrne. Brian Byrne is not to reach, Jack Barry reach, Jack Brandon Suwas. Jack of the Thrust and Ish. Chile, Arash. Did Jimmy Feehan is Tibber Jimmy Thrust. Brian Byrne reach, Brian Byrne skip all over the ball, and stop Brian Garrish Jack. And Sharuher brought the gate and pass the shot, and he should pass. Awa has shot and just shot. So they Killian O'Shea, sheared on Chile Fosaka, Tashi the Quinal Cheleva, Conor Callahan, Conor Gear Costa Hartney, Ray out, Sigit. Jimmy Feehan Rash, Kashi the fight of Chonish, Kashi the fight of Sean here to Chonish, show the chance to go on Lowry, Sluck and Chon, August Tias and Chonish, Kalas the guy, oh, it would have fell into Neil, can we go on Chile Fosaka? Chile Fosaka, Sean Chanson is score, as in the gardens, which he would have a thrust on, Kashi would have a thrust on. As of Liam Casey in attack Reach, Chilga Major Bay. On Roar, good joy, Casey. August and Chilena Gordon heard a thrust now. Nish. Neil, more on Amafanta. About Liam Casey, Leach, UCD and Chop. And a 3 jug down east and Shane jug the Kujug. Talent the Gulliver and Unseries. Shots the gown yellow truck, I should tell him a conyan. August Tasha Foster Rashid lads black clear is on never tackle good joe. August Conor Mullally will a good cent again. I'm a brand of Machan Joe, Todd Torsher could get a lad so. Tosh you trash, but Reach, tell it. Shaskanomad, Crew, August Queen, Galore, the Cliff I lock up to Kadin, put up with Gimmer to Donor Shakatsa. On Chile 40 lads black clear. McLaren scored, Bristol Trower East. So nearly talking came Madama Coach of Gorty of Asan. No, he is 4 and chop. So nearly didn't go on over her came Madama the Fanta Imnuri, the Nask. On Chelevinish. Big black clear was a Conor Callahan. Conor Togwell up at Dama, Conor Goldshire. Finish Chelevin show Stephen Cohenish. The Garnish van on, Cornby Kigur Ordo again, Cooper Nomad. Jack Parry, Shigiúir Goldrich. Jackson Watson, I said Jack Colum after Derek. Rashkady Stephen Cole, Kashi the Cormac we shot. Barry O'Sullivan Trasta. Conor Callan is the first of the Shears to Conor go Trasta, Conor McCarthy. And Bertrand will give her Steve Shigolina Careful go again. Lads, the guy he's from the Tashid. 3 Bristol chop. Watching the tractor east, Jack Barry. Jack the Jenna Wash, Elva Conyalichin. When Sharashi with the Conor Mullally reached. August full of cloud Bristol chop. Kertanchin, Clugger Scolan, Clug if you go. Cloud the score if you go, Cloud the score is goal. Toss Agun go Colin one guards for lads black clear. And passes on trash finish with Brian Byrne. August Hagalor, Colin clothing Brian Byrne, come on. Brian Byrne, Shear and Chonish. Shear with Jack Barry. Jack is shot the Lord. Shot with Barry O'Sullivan, Galo Horgan Award, Barry Arash with Stephen Cohen, and shot finish. Stephen Cohen thrust to the park. Jenny Shigiúir Cheleva Conal. She Conye Conor Callahan is shot finish with Jimmy Feehan. Jimmy Feehan and Gear Goal is shot, which I Gear foul of Allo. So she forces Jimmy Rai, shot the near chow, Glenn Casey and Thompson, she blocked the John, Colin Cheleva Potarash. Don't get the father on Cheleva Potarash, he has the gun. This car shifts in the a car shifts and score on. She's not going to brew her shoot. Tool attacked the John, Tool attacked the Lord. And 4 days to the 4, took on throw for a chin. Glenn Casey, part of the in a cash pushing. Glenn Casey for on Sloan. Yeah, Glenn Casey for on the park. You see, we're cash free. You're into the Yochano support. Shelf. So, God, I just have to reach. Will Amok attack score 1-0. Peter Cook attack to reach. So, Brother Soas. Pushes the more dear Diva. Trascudy, McDonald. Or Tool is shot to Lord. Peter Cookanish. Cooka kick on the shot, Dira, at the Bertha Shed, Cheannais, Black Clear. Tanchella Potagas, Tanado, Gerbo Shed. agus an garú óras tríocha a Cornric Shigiúir buite ag UCD. Sór Haimland as an shot. Gwyn y ffordd gobar fa o'r wrth be Liam Casey and Leo Eshin and Danchin and Coolini and no Coolin organs walker Chinnagadera with the organs got ach Chinnaves and Boa. River Shop is you try to kill it Emmer's go or his big heavy. Encan Dale Butza NUIG Nigga in UCD the ho score. Been a co-score and need your Kruger Coy need your shock more shots. Ach Hilmod Commander Gamach I'm Russian Taster and Nira on a Casey in his Attaction Gent ag Liam Casey as mar sin is in Lachlia ves in Kellerup a nacht Canno Callahan sin bon elle ege le cur in the buin atá ege Jack McCaffrey of the remade of Chama Ní Russia Gimmert ach bei seach an sósta céine is dá méach agus camera an Highlands ach Brano Shearer a Cliffe shot. Feidir an achterháin na hála I rá hir de parke tíirech an íchéile. Bhí deis ag Jamie Comer ar chóil úteile na lábhí bhúil sin trasnán. Chun íróid tíirech síos na parke hí sellh Conor McCarthy bháise sin sa líana agus a bin ag dearan le I dhéana sa difriocht sé rinne difriocht Ní né cheis faoi sé rinne difriocht Casa go sé chólinn de a rá chop Martian, that's scored Turnach and shot. And Cliffe Canis Big Shigiúir. UCD, Hen 3 joke. NUIG, Donny. On Demon shot, or there's a guy of it, I come Rory Green, he's from his Ceannais, looks such a creepish, Beidir go cheaptí nó redemption siad an dar cool and sin gur a dóhan dead an orbí ag Adam Gallagher Dr. Sinead gá cholín chun cín sin bhí kick sír go bhar céine ach sin canál clifa bhí an ar in ar an dom good is mó an tarrant ón ar an eile agus hí so much off Tony Regan agus Lynn Hammond by Dima ortha tar Michael O'Connor ma if you go NUIG sin mar a bhíon túna deisina a hapú an seo Mar derm an Highland Adrin, agus u ein holin wan an Forest Bar is Suri ma Hallentu, ma Canis Tanyavi ma Wontu, agus sin mar a bhíon chop agan agus with the fanach leis an runna, na cinta mul uchtran chumanú clas gail sinna Jerry Tully, Cairlach or the ord edgechus. Bit gur Jerry vis atena an runna an chop. Ní ekim an tuchtran ag an Farrell. Ní fada elevis ag an tuchtran go dibal way. Sean Horan is black clear. Chapteach an odds now. Ní fóin vis lucht na himmerach, tá mecht lucht na himmerach well. Lord Inis North, Conor Mullally Awada, UCD, Stephen Coleman, Jack Barry, Lorna Park, Liam Casey, scoring the total, Conor McCarthy's again, that after the Lord scoring, then a vision that has done away. The Conor Callahan going to counter to mother lads, the Galliva, well, Peter Cochran, Hoyd, Renee, and the Tierney North again, Damien Comer's again, like ni more Comer better, and they're a Chelvis Buwatlo, Starless, better can do a Kushna Homa, or Erlo, and Taction Yana. In Fornach as a couple of lads black clear in Murray as Tiberdaran as black clear now as Antrim as Kiri as Moynihan as Leash as Kildare I was as Gawan in Murray shouldn't score Dernach Chin NUIG though Naish and Kudiag UCD Hen at 3 jug Shin Shadug
Can I both these up in front of the stand, please? Just before I know, we're going to do the presentation of the man of the match. This year's man of the match in 2018, the left driver, Sigerson Cup final is Conor McCarthy. We have Lynn here presenting from the left driver. Congratulations, Conor.
Mar sin sin a leocht na himmerthe, Conor McCarthy an sin as muoineáin ar ós ar fád a géad le agus a scór thar tádas an dar nach chama. Ar muoineáin ar jetach bheith action rúis marach ach is cumla sin in níis ceapain se brásásta agus é rán na himmer leocht na himmerthe. Fan winnis an bronna. Ros go on agus bronna churn ars mayo. Ger tolle as córa ord edchus chumú Glasgow.
Son Cornelius Galway le gatain Coran Cléthe Tug Sportúil ar fáil inniu. Just on behalf of Corlar Didicus, I'd like to thank everybody that put this wonderful and sporting game on this afternoon. Firstly, I'd like to welcome Lynn Darcy and Ruth Dargan from our sponsors Electric Ireland, and thank Electric Ireland for their financial support and their very innovative marketing of all our leagues and championships this year. I'd like to also thank Joe McQuillan, the referee, and his team officials for a job well done. I'd like to thank our hosts this weekend, Trinity College. They put on a superb show here at Navina and in Marino, and every player and mentor that took part in the weekend had a very enjoyable one. Thanks to Conor Lafferty and the members of Trinity JA Club and Trinity College. Gormila Mahagwev. I'd like to thank both teams. It was an absolutely wonderful exhibition of football that went right down to the wire and was played in the best traditions of both NUIG Galway and UCD. The players gave so much and there wasn't a foul blow in the game, and you were a credit to both your colleges and management. So well done to both teams. On this occasion, it's hard luck to NUI Galway. It's only a couple of years ago you were playing in Division 2, and over the last couple of years you've come on a long way and got very close to winning today. And I know NUI Galway will be back very shortly winning a Sigerson Cup. So well done. Last year, UCD were disappointed down in Mayo when they just failed to win the Sigerson Cup. But they're back this year, and under the tutelage of John Dively have delivered 2 out of 3. So I suppose 2 out of 3 ain't bad. So Neil Manish, a Coran Vikiger, a runner, captain, Ulskull Balya Clea, Stephen Cohn.
Cahirlock, Queen Ushlag is Cordial Lear, Smore no Nordumsa, Mar Captain on Verlin took shot on Current shot, Guahu, Ulskull Balya Clea. It's more than an honour for me to be a captain of this team and this group. It's a great honour for me to accept this cup on behalf of I suppose it wouldn't be right but to mention NUIG first. That was a brilliant battle, lads, and thanks for a great game. When you're coming down here, it wasn't going to be easy, and just 3 cheers for NUIG. So hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. There's a lot of people I suppose we have to thank, but I suppose I'd like to start with the backroom team and management. So to Killian and Angela in the medical side, kept us in shape the last month or two, especially the last 3 or 4 days. It was tough going for them, in fairness, but much appreciated for all your help. In stats, Conor Hartley and Ian Reeves for all the work they've put in over the last 4 or 5 months. Anything we've needed, we've got it. Just from everyone in the GA club themselves, Ger Brennan and Josh Ward especially, the support they've given us all year, and we've never been found wanting for anything. So thanks very much, guys. And to the management team, John Dibley and his brigade, Tim Healy, Bobby O'Sullivan, Jared Lyons, and Tommy, thanks very much for everything, boys. Really appreciate it, and look, big round of applause to them, boys. Two years ago, we were in the same position, and Jack McCaffrey on the day mentioned Dave Billings, and I think it wouldn't be right if we didn't mention him again today. A lot of us here, it's our final year, and when we were in first year, he was the person who got us up and running in UCD, so just like to remember Dave Billings today again. And finally, to the lads in front of me here, brilliant effort, great crack, and more to come, so all I have to say is loyalty!